Everyone has been talking about the upcoming Luna Ultra, but until now, we've only had glimpses of what Insta360's newest pocket camera might offer. Now, we're getting a much clearer picture, and honestly, it's shaping up to be one of the most interesting camera launches of the year. The first thing that stands out is the image quality. Even straight out of the camera, the footage delivers that soft, cinematic look creators love, thanks to its large 1-inch sensor and bright f1.8 aperture. The Luna Ultra produces natural background blur that makes subjects stand out while keeping everything looking clean and professional. It's the kind of visual style that helped make pocket cameras so popular in the first place. But Insta360 isn't stopping there. The company has reportedly worked closely with Leica, bringing Leica-inspired color science and multiple Leica color profiles to the Luna Ultra. The result is footage with rich colors, beautiful contrast, and a premium cinematic character that immediately stands out. For content creators, one of the biggest upgrades may be the addition of 10-bit recording. This is the first Insta360 camera expected to offer true 10-bit video, giving filmmakers and editors far more flexibility when color grading. Whether you're creating cinematic travel videos, YouTube content, or professional projects, 10-bit footage provides smoother color transitions and significantly more room for creative adjustments. And if you're not interested in spending hours editing, Luna Ultra offers a clever solution. Users can shoot in log while applying Leica-inspired looks and film-style filters directly in-camera, combining professional image capture with instant ready-to-share results. Another major advantage is support for the ACES workflow, making it much easier to match footage from different cameras during professional editing. But perhaps the most exciting upgrade is the camera system itself. Unlike traditional pocket cameras that rely on a single lens, the Luna Ultra features a dual camera design. This opens the door to multiple focal lengths and zoom options that simply weren't possible before. Insta360 claims the camera can deliver up to 12x zoom, with image quality remaining extremely high even at 6x magnification. For creators who often felt limited by the fixed focal length of previous pocket cameras, this could be a game-changing improvement. Low-light performance also looks incredibly promising. Early footage captured under streetlights shows impressive detail, controlled noise, and excellent overall image quality. While full testing will have to wait until launch, the first samples suggest that Luna Ultra could become one of the strongest low-light performers in the pocket camera category. The camera also supports HDR recording and Dolby Vision, bringing brighter highlights, deeper contrast, and a more realistic viewing experience on modern smartphones and HDR-compatible displays. Then we get to the feature that's generating the most excitement. The Luna Ultra's display isn't permanently attached. The entire touchscreen control panel can detach from the camera and function as a wireless remote. Even more impressive, the detachable unit includes its own built-in microphone. That means you can monitor framing, change settings, start recording, activate tracking, and capture audio all from a distance. For vloggers, solo creators, and anyone filming themselves, this could be one of the most useful features we've seen on a pocket camera. If the final product delivers everything we've seen so far, the Insta360 Luna Ultra could redefine what creators expect from a compact camera. A 1-inch sensor, Leica color science, 10-bit recording, HDR video, powerful zoom capabilities, dual cameras, and a detachable touchscreen microphone system, all packed into a portable body.